welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you where your mass airflow sensor is on your 2003 Ford F-150. Now, you may be looking to locate this sensor because you need to service it, you may need to test it, or you may need to clean it. You may be throwing some mass airflow sensor codes and you need to clean your mass airflow sensor. So for whatever reason, I'm going to show you where it is on this 2003 Ford F-150. If that sounds good to you, let's dive in. This 2003 Ford F-150 is equipped with the 4.2 liter V6 engine. So here's a view under the hood. So now we have the hood open. Let's locate the mass airflow sensor. And your mass airflow sensor is gonna be in your air ducting, this air intake box right here. So in order to open this up, I'm gonna take this band, pull it open. Once I open this up, I'm gonna move this to the side. My air filter is right here. This is my air filter. And right here, that is our mass airflow sensor. So I'll bring you in a bit closer so you can see that. So that is your mass airflow sensor right there. You can actually see the filament of the mass airflow sensor if you look in that window. So now you have it located, you can clean it, you can service it, and do whatever else you need to do to your mass airflow sensor. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.